Hi everyone, welcome back to StudyPlanet. I started the Tata Cybersecurity Internship earlier, but due to some reasons, I stopped the series. Now the link is still active, so I am continuing the internship again from today. If you already registered before but did not complete the Tata Cybersecurity Internship, please start it again. This is a good time to finish it. If you did not register before and you are interested in cybersecurity, this is the best opportunity for you. You can still register and start learning. I already uploaded the cybersecurity intro task earlier. In that video, I explained all the basic concepts very clearly. So, first, please watch that intro video. After completing the intro, come to task 1. Then you will understand everything clearly. Now, in this video, I will explain task 1, IAM fundamentals step by step. I will explain everything in simple language so everyone can understand. Let's start task 1. In task 1, we will learn the basic concepts of identity and access management, also called IAM. We will learn we will understand why IAM is important for companies and how it keeps systems safe. In this task, we will learn what IAM is and why IAM is important in cybersecurity and how modern companies use IAM. And what we will do in this task, learn the basics and components of IAM, see case studies to understand how IAM reduces security risks, and finally complete a small multiple choice quiz to check our understanding. This is the message from Tata for task 1, slide 1. And next slide we discuss now. Slide 2 about we take the role of an IAM developer at TCS, and our goal is to help a company called TechCorp with their cybersecurity. Before starting the project, we must understand IAM basics, and IAM means managing digital identities and giving correct access to the right people. It is a very important part of cybersecurity because it helps protect a company's data from cyber attacks. In this task, we will learn the main concepts of IAM, why it is important, and how it helps companies to stay secure. In slide 3, they are mentioned their services. TCS provides many IAM services to help companies stay safe in the digital world. TCS checks a company's IAM readiness and designs IAM solutions and helps set up IAM platforms. They also integrate single sign on so users can log in easily and safely. And TCS handles access governance like access control and role based access. They provide identity as a service for cloud access, and they also offer managed IAM services, which means they monitor and maintain the IAM system regularly. Clients choose TCS because they have expert teams. They create solutions based on each company's needs and they focus on strong security and compliance. TCS also brings new ideas and stays updated with the latest IAM technologies. Overall, TCS helps companies build and maintain a strong IAM strategy. Now comes to the main part. Let's look at the key concepts of IAM. First, we have digital identity. This means the online identity of a user, like their username, password, and other details that identify them in a system. We have to keep in mind digital identity means online identity of a user. And second is authentication. This checks if the user is real. Examples are passwords, OTPs, fingerprints, or face ID. Through this, we're checking is user real or not. This is called authentication. And third is authorization. Authorization. After a user is verified, authorization decides what they can access. This depends on completely roles and permissions. It decides whether you can access data or not, completely based on authorization. SSO, which means single sign on. With SSO, a user logs in once and can access many apps without logging in again. And finally, IAM follows the least privilege principle. This means users get only the minimum access of the platform and the need for the access only for their work. This reduces the security risks. These are the main concepts of IAM. Now let's understand why IAM is important in modern companies. Today, cyber threats and data breaches are increasing. Because of this, IAM becomes a very important part of cybersecurity. IAM mainly controls digital identities and decides who can access what inside a company. And first, IAM helps with identity verification and It checks the user with strong authentication methods before giving access. And next, it handles access control. After the user is verified, IAM decides what that person can see or do based on roles and permissions. IAM also helps reduce insider threats where employees misuses their access by giving only minimum access needed for the job. IAM keeps the system safe. IAM also support complaints and auditing. It tracks user activities and helps companies follow rules like GDPR or HIPAA. IAM supports secure collaborations, allowing safe sharing with partners, suppliers, and customers. As companies move to cloud, mobile access, and remote work, IAM becomes even more important. It protects sensitive data, helps with legal complaints, and improves user experience through SSO and adapts to new cyber threats. IAM is not just a technical tool, it is a key security strategy for every modern enterprise. In the next task, we will see and we will use these concepts in practical scenarios. The people who don't understand IAM and cybersecurity, I will explain it now. IAM means Identity and Access Management. It is a system used to manage user identities and control who can access what in a company or application. And cybersecurity means protecting computers, networks, and data from attacks and unauthorized access. IAM is a very important part of cybersecurity because it makes sure only the right people get the right access. IAM is a key point in cybersecurity. With IAM, we can control who can access information and what level of access they should have. This is why IAM technology is very important for security. And this slide is just an introduction about the importance of case studies, not an actual case study. We can skip this slide and we will see what is case study. This is a real case study from the healthcare industry. ABC Healthcare is a large hospital chain. They had a big problem. Many times, people who were not allowed were accessing patient records. This was a serious security issue because patient information is very sensitive. To solve these, to solve this, the hospital started an IAM project. They decided to use IAM to protect all patient data. First, they set strong access controls. Only the right doctors, nurses, and staff could see specific patient records, and each person got access based on their roles and responsibilities. Next day, they added audit trails. The IAM system recorded every login, every access attempt, and every action. This helped the hospital quickly find any unusual activity or possible breach happening. And after implementing IAM, the number of unauthorized access cases reduced a lot. Patient data becomes safe, and the hospital follow all the healthcare security rules. This case shows why IAM is very important in sensitive industries like healthcare. And we will see another case study, this time from the finance industry. XYZ Bank is a big financial institution. They were facing serious problems. Insider fraud was increasing and data breaches were becoming more common. These issues could damage customer trust and cause huge financial loss. So the bank decided to strengthen its security using IAM. They started a full IAM transformation project to improve authentication and access control across all their branches and offices. First, they introduced MFA. This means employees had to use two or more verification methods before getting access. This made unauthorized entry much harder. Next, they added audit and monitoring. The IAM system tracked all user activities in real time. If anything strange or suspicious happened, the system sent instant alerts. After IAM was implemented, fraud cases and data breaches reduced a lot. Customer trust increased and the bank's overall security became much stronger. This case shows how IAM can protect financial institutes from major security risks. Now we have 8 MCQs based on everything we learned in the previous slides. I have given all the answers here so you can check them and complete your task 1 easily. After finishing task 1, wait for the task 2. I will upload that soon. I know some people feel bored when I explain each slide, but understanding the topic is important, not just doing the internship. That is why I explained everything clearly. If you feel bored, please comment below. I can also make short videos with only the answers, or you can skip the introduction and explanation part and directly see the answers. Do whatever is comfortable for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Planet. Share this video with your friends if you think it is helpful. And thank you so much for watching Study Planet.